Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and I'm at Fine Lines on Zunai Street in Denver, talking to you today about induction and what cookware do you need. If the mystery of, is my pan going to work on my induction, my new induction range, the thing that's holding you back from upgrading to induction, let me help demystify what cookware you need. I've got 3 types of pans here. 2 of them work on induction, and I'm going to explain to you what to look for with your current cookware so that you make sure that when you get your new range or cooktop installed, that you're ready to start cooking right away. Okay, so 3 main types of pans. This is a cast aluminum pan, very common. This happens to be a non-stick Teflon pan, but you see a lot of cast aluminum pans. A lot of cookware is made out of aluminum because it's extremely lightweight. It does excellent for transferring heat, however, not induction ready. If I place this on an induction burner and I turn it on, I'm turning this burner on all the way to 9. That should give me basically instant heat. I can see right away it starts to beep at me. That's the error sign that's saying that it's not detecting any cookware. Induction works on having magnetic cookware. What it does is it creates an electrical field that turns the cookware into the heat source. Let me demonstrate that by boiling some water. Here's our second type of cookware. Let me kick this burner on. The boost. This is going to start transferring heat from the magnetic field into the cookware instantly. We're going to see this start to, look at that, it's already forming heat, it's already making steam. It's going to start making bubbles to break the surface almost instantly. I know this is magnetic cookware for a couple of reasons. One thing you can see when you're shopping for cookware is a heavy bottom pan. Heavy bottom pan typically has this extra layer of metal down here. See how that's kind of latched down to the bottom of the pan? That's the only part of the cookware that's actually magnetic. And what that has, it has an extra layer of something magnetic, typically a layer of steel. And that's what allows the heat to transfer through. So if this pan had kind of a stamp of steel on the bottom, kind of attached to the bottom, we would know that that's ready, that's induction ready. Look at that, boom, instant boil. You don't need to bring every piece of cookware that you have a question about into Appliance Factory and set it on an induction cooktop to see if it works. If a magnet sticks to it, that's ready to go. That's going to be induction ready. That means all of your cast iron cookware, your favorite Lodge pan or your Le Creuset pan, they're all induction ready naturally. You don't have to walk around the store looking for induction ready cookware. You know that anything that's clad, that has multiple layers of metal that are pressed together, typically, not almost always are induction ready. Here's an example of clad cookware. I can tell this is clad because I can see 1, 2, 3 layers of metal. They've been stamped together at really high pressure to make one piece of cookware. It doesn't have that extra layer like this pot does, and it doesn't need it because the entire cookware, all the way up the sides, all the way up to the very rim, are actually induction ready. So when I turn this on, you tend to get more even heating because the temperature wants to come up the edge and up the side of the pan as well. This is really the best choice for induction cooking, to have a clad pan. However, they're considerably more expensive. If you have a pan that is warped, has a little divot in the middle, chances are it's non-magnetic, it's probably cast aluminum, and therefore isn't induction ready. But if your pan has a little divot in that, throw it out. It's not good for cooking. You're not getting even heating. You're only heating that little divot. So you don't want that in your kitchen. Also, a lot of the manufacturers are now including cookware via a rebate. I happen to know that GE Profile will give you a beautiful set of cookware. I think it's valued at $1,100. Even comes with a sous vide attachment. Really great, high quality Chantel cookware. Induction ready. It's this style of cookware. This, in fact, is a Chantel pan that has this added base at the bottom. That helps prevent burning, but also makes it induction ready. So if the thing that's holding you back from upgrading to induction is your cookware, don't fret. It's not like even 10 years ago where induction cookware was hard to find are so expensive that it was the difference between, you know, upgrading or not. Now you can find it anywhere. It doesn't cost a fortune, and it's a higher quality cookware. You're going to get more out of your food for high quality induction cookware anyway. So why not upgrade? This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdoms. If you have any more questions about induction cookware, make sure you just leave a comment. I'm happy to respond. Make sure you also like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.